Hi sweet friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you're here today. If you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Hallie and I am a stay-at-home mama to a sweet little boy. I'm married to my sweet husband Derek and I just love sharing videos on homemaking, motherhood, cleaning inspiration, decorating videos, things like that. But I thought in today's video, I would take you guys with us on a day in the life as a stay-at-home mom. So the first thing that I'm going to do is get ready really fast and throw on some makeup. Some of my favorite products I've been using are the e.l.f. Hydration Moisturizer. I love that stuff. And then for foundation, I've been using Clinique's Even Better Foundation. And then for my brows, I love using the CoverGirl Eyebrow Pencil. And then for eyeshadow, I love the e.l.f. Quads, and I think the shades are I Love You a Latte. And then I also like the Maybelline single eyeshadows. I forgot the shade that I was using on this day, but it's like $3 from Walmart. You cannot beat that price, but I love those single shades from Maybelline. And then for mascara, I'm using the Act Natural from ColourPop. But yeah, I just thought I'd take you guys with us on a day in the life. So let's go ahead and let's get this day started.
The sun in my face, it's so well needed. Life will take care of the rest. Biking alone in the sunset, through the canals of the mindset.
You want to brush your teeth?
Yeah,
I brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. Good job. Oh no, throw it. I don't get a coffee out every single day, but I do like to treat myself from time to time and go grab a coffee. So on this day, I did go to Starbucks and get an iced brown sugar oat milk shaken espresso. I think that's what it's called, but I love that drink. But yeah, we actually went back home after that and I picked up some lunch while we were out, and then I was just feeding Titus, and we are going to eat lunch and then just do some other things around the house. I usually like to do at least one load of laundry a day during the week. It just helps me stay on top of the laundry so I don't get behind. And Titus loves getting laundry out of the basket with me. It's so sweet. So I'm just folding up some of the towels and some of the clothes that we had and getting that put away. After we ate lunch, Titus had physical therapy, and then we got some things done around the house. He helped me with some laundry. Huh, you're my little helper, right? Now we are getting ready for his nap for the day. He's got his milk, and he is ready for a nap. You're worn out, huh? Tired. All right, friends, so for dinner tonight, we are going to be making a really easy dish. It's super delicious and it's so simple, and it is poppy seed chicken casserole. So all you will need is just whatever type of chicken you want to use. I picked up a rotisserie chicken yesterday from Sam's, so we're just going to keep it really simple. Use a rotisserie chicken for this. You will need some sour cream. You will need some butter. You will need a can of cream of chicken soup. You will need some poppy seeds, of course. And then you will need some Ritz crackers, and this is gonna go on the top of it with the butter. But this is delicious. I cannot recommend this recipe enough. We're just gonna bake it in this, I think this is like an 8, almost like an 8 by 8.5 dish. You could obviously, if you have a bigger family, you could double this and put it in like a 9 by 13. But we're just gonna bake it in a smaller dish tonight because this is plenty to feed my family. But you guys, this is so simple and so delicious. So let's go ahead and let's get dinner started. So I'm just going ahead and preheating our oven to 350 degrees, and then I am shredding up our rotisserie chicken. That I'm going to do is just spray my pan really well, and then I'm going to take my bowl of rotisserie chicken and I'm going to mix in 1 can of cream of chicken soup, and then we're just going to get that dumped in our bowl. And then after that, you're going to take about 3/4 of a cup of sour cream and mix that in as well. You're going to take about a tablespoon of poppy seeds, and then you're going to pour that into your bowl. Then we're just going to give this a really good stir and combine it all together. After you have all of that combined, you're going to melt about 1/4 cup of butter, and then you're going to take about 3/4 of this sleeve of Ritz crackers, and then I'm going to place those in a little Ziploc baggie and then get those crushed up. Going to dump our chicken mixture into our dish, and then I'm going to take the Ritz crackers that I crushed up, and I'm going to dump that into our butter that we melted, and that is going to go on top of our casserole, and it just makes the casserole so delicious. I mean, what's not to love about Ritz crackers and butter? I mean, it just makes everything better. This is just going to bake in the oven for 25 minutes, and I left it uncovered and it turned out perfect. we are going to serve ours with some Bob Evans mashed potatoes because those are so simple and they taste delicious, and then also some Sister Schubert rolls. So I think this poppy seed chicken casserole is a hit. Ty, you haven't really ate much of that. He's eating his peanut butter and some chicken.
Dad? Hey, it's popping. It's good. It's really, really good. Like, this is just my first plate, too, so there's more to come.
This is such an easy dinner recipe. I mean, it took, besides like shredding up the rotisserie chicken, that was like the longest part. Everything else, you just mix it all together, bake it for 25 minutes, throw a few easy sides, and it is the perfect, easiest dinner recipe. So you guys definitely have to try this. Yeah. Hi. Are you playing?
To start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many. When the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin.
You out there, Stepdad?
Beginning to thaw from within.
Hi. So after dinner, while Titus was playing with his daddy, I went ahead and started doing some other things around the house. I had cleaned our bathroom the night before, and so I just wanted to take our shower curtain off and the shower curtain liner and throw that in the wash. And I'm also going to wash some of Titus's bath toys as well.
To see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today.
If you don't know this about me, I love using the Dawn Power Wash for so many things. And I'm going to use it just to spray and rinse off some of Titus's bath toys. I thought it might work well for that. Just give these a good soak and clean, and then that way he can use them again for bath time. The last thing that I'm going to do is just vacuum our living room and our kitchen area, and then we're just going to get Titus ready for bed. But I hope you guys enjoyed this day in the life video. Every day looks different for us. We're always doing something new, but I hope you all enjoyed today's video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up down below. And if you aren't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to hit that subscribe button and be a part of my YouTube family. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope you all have a blessed day, a blessed week, and I will see you in my next video.